Big breaking news which is coming in. BJP has intensified its attack on the Congress party. This time around it has posted Indira Gandhi's old video saying, listen in to yourself how Indira Gandhi stood against caste. And today it is the same Congress which is pushing for a caste census. Watch what the BJP has put out, an old soundbite of Indira Gandhi.
कौन से रोड़े हमारे रास्ते में आए कि हम तेजी से आगे नहीं बढ़ सके। तो हम देखते हैं कि जो सबक आजादी की लड़ाई ने हमें सिखाया था कि केवल एकता और अनुशासन से सफलता प्राप्त हो सकती है। असल में मेरा विश्वास जातिवाद में नहीं है। मैं तो चाहूंगी कि ये शब्द हम हटा दें अपने देश से। हम सब अपने को एक माने, इस महान देश के महान नागरिक अपनी तरह को माने, क्योंकि आज का दिन जब हम उपलब्धियों की तरफ देखते हैं, सफलताओं की तरफ देखते हैं, तो कमजोरी की तरफ भी देखना है। इन बातों ने
Well, let me go across to Pratibha, who's joining us with more details. Pratibha, what can you share with us?
Well, Meghna, this is the old video that we just played out that the BJP has now tweeted. We just also showed our viewers the ad that had been put out by the Congress party saying issues should be merit-based. And now you have this video of Indira Gandhi where she is speaking about caste, saying there should be no caste in the country. We should all think of ourselves as equal. This was the message that Indira Gandhi gave out. So the BJP saying, after old ad of Congress, now see this old video of Indira ji and hear her views on Jativad and Jati. So the Congress party, the BJP putting the Congress party in a spot, saying these are old videos of Indira Gandhi herself. It's now on the Congress party to answer.
Well, keep tracking the developments on that front on social media as well. Remember, these fights for the Maharashtra vote is not just happening on the ground, but also actively on social media. You can see the massive war which is happening over ads. And remember, it's not just restricted to the state of Maharashtra. There are critical polls which are going to happen, not just in Jharkhand, but by-polls in Uttar Pradesh as well as in Wayanad of Kerala, and also several seats in the Karnataka, making it a high-stakes battle for the BJP to ensure that there is a consolidation of the Hindu vote, of course, which is why repeatedly you have the Prime Minister sending out the message, Ek hai, safe hai. On the other hand, you have what the BJP alleges a polarizing bid by the Congress party, be it over caste, be it over religion. You have massive attacks which are coming in, even from the Prime Minister, who has taken to the poll trail. Of course, today even Amit Shah is going to be campaigning in Jharkhand. It will be interesting to see what the Union Home Minister also has to say. Remember, they have been pushing the narrative that the Congress and its alliance partners are trying to divide the society along lines of caste, along lines of religion.